Guys, assalamualaikum wabarakatuh. Today I want to tell you guys about the Nepal's currency and the cost of living and much other else that link to the economics in this country, which is Nepal. So the currency that they use is Nepalese rupees, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Nepalese rupee. Why it's called rupiah for some reason, just like in Indonesia rupiah, kind of similar. So in Nepalese rupiah is actually kind of cheap. 100 100,000 100,000 rupiah is equivalent to around 857 rupiah. Nepalese rupiah. And sometimes when I buy things like chicken momo, my favorite food right now in this country, it only costs us around like 150, which is equivalent or to around 70,000 ish rupiah. Still cheap in my opinion. Just like in Egypt. Just like in Egypt. Probably, if you're talking about how much the cost of eating tea 3 times per day, if you only be eating food that only costs around like 150, uh, try calculate 70,000 ish times 3, which is you will got around um, wait a second. You will got seven. I'm gonna make it 18k. 18k times 3. It only costs you around like 54,000 rupiah every day only for eating. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, it's much more higher than that, which is very surprising. Very surprising. So, yeah, I do think about that. I in this very moment before we left this country, I think I only spent less than a million rupiah while in Nepal because of how cheap the currency is. Although the admin charges when you every time you want to take money from the ATM is kinda expensive. The minimum you got is around 500 Nepalese rupee for the admin charges. Then why don't you use a card instead for every payment you make? That's the problem. There's not a lot of mini markets around here. Even if they do, they don't support cashless payments. Only cash. Only cash. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. I hope you guys understand about the economics in this country. See you next one. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.